Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive highlights the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.